Welcome back friends. Welcome to Tech Unbox Pro, and today we are taking a detailed look at Nokia's latest and most powerful smartphone, the Nokia NX 5G Pro. Starting with the design, Nokia NX 5G Pro follows a premium and solid build philosophy. The phone feels strong in the hand, with a refined matte finish on the back and a clean camera module that gives it a flagship look. Nokia's signature durability is clearly visible here, making this device ideal for long-term users. On the front, we get a large AMOLED display with vibrant colors and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the visual experience is smooth and sharp. The high refresh rate makes everyday usage feel fast and responsive. Performance is one of the strongest points of the Nokia NX 5G Pro. Powered by a capable 5G processor and optimized stock Android, the phone handles multitasking, gaming, and daily apps without lag. There is no unnecessary bloatware, which means smoother performance and better battery efficiency. Now let's talk about the camera. Nokia NX 5G Pro comes with a high-resolution AI camera system that performs well in both daylight and low-light conditions. Photos come out sharp with natural colors, and the AI processing helps enhance details without over-sharpening. Video stabilization is also improved, making it a great option for content creators. Battery life is another highlight. The large battery easily lasts a full day with heavy use, including 5G, gaming, and video streaming. Fast charging support ensures you can quickly top up and get back to work or entertainment without waiting too long. In terms of connectivity, the Nokia NX 5G Pro supports fast 5G networks, strong call quality, and reliable signal reception. Combined with regular software updates and security patches, this phone is built for users who value stability and performance. Overall, the Nokia NX 5G Pro is a powerful, clean, and reliable smartphone that stays true to Nokia's core strengths while delivering modern flagship features. If you enjoyed this detailed review, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, like the video, and share it with fellow Nokia fans. See you in the next one.